Hey guys, welcome to LA vlog number 3. We have made it to Malibu. Look how gorgeous it is. Look at this view. It is so gorgeous.
There's a snake in my boot.
It doesn't. Wait, are you gonna touch it? John, wait.
Don't touch it. He's afraid of snakes.
Oh yeah?
We're going up the closed path. I don't know why it would be closed, but.
It's very steep. Use your hands.
Okay.
Very important. Oh, you took a picture?
Yeah, of me sitting on the edge. Look at my cankles.
I never went boating, don't get out here floating, and sometimes I get so Malibu, next
We are finally at the Queen Mary, and the last time I was here, I heard babies crying, but I'm not sure if it was just their surround sound that they put around the whole ship, because I'm pretty sure they do that to scare people. It's about 7 o'clock right now and the sun's going down. Oh my gosh, look at this. That's creepy, look. This is so pretty.
Oh my gosh.
Wait, Lizzie, John. Oh, Elizabeth, come here.
No.
Come here.
What is the problem? What is the problem? Scared.
She's scared.
Scared of what?
It's haunted.
Scared of what?
Ghosts.
Oh, stop. Stop. The only thing you cannot see are angels.
We are on the haunted Queen Mary. Would you get married here? I would. I would. It's haunted.
Okay.
Look at how pretty this is. We're trying to find the hotel rooms. We made it. Quiet zone. They have a spa here. That's so creepy. One more down. Okay, let's go. There, it's just like a long hallway.
A really long hallway.
Ooh, fitness center.
Oh, let me in there. Why would you want to scare 30,000?
Because it's fun, people like it.
Oh, here's the hotel.
Those are my most viewed videos.
Here's the hotel lobby.
Oh, this is the hotel lobby?
Yeah.
Not that they like it, because
So you like to see it?
Some people like it.
Like, you could drive my car.
no, I can't.
That's literally so tight. Elizabeth is scared right now. Look how small that is. Just be quiet because it's a hotel.
What if the ghost sneezed? What are you talking about?
Just kidding.
I didn't see anybody.
What are you talking about? Wait till a minute.
Missing. Guys, John just disappeared. Oh my gosh, I think one of the workers took him. Guys, where's John?
Guys, have you seen? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. It's a person walking with.
Guys, it's a ghost. Alright guys, we finally made it home. It is 11 o'clock, so I'm so tired. Also, be expecting a video about the Queen Mary. I'm going to be doing a whole video about it, so stay tuned. I'm really excited to talk about it. But I will see you guys tomorrow if I vlog, hopefully. Bye!